This is Quinn from Sequence Art on Instagram, and for today I wanted to share with you some winter borders that I created that you can add to your journal. I went with different themes and ideas that just speak about winter to me. So of course I have some pine cones with some pine branches here. I used Procreate to create all of these, but these are all things that you can doodle in your own journal, or there's a printable that's actually attached with this, with each of these designs on them. And so feel free to go to the link below in the description and go to the blog that I created and you'll find the printable there. So along with pine cones, I also went ahead and created an amaryllis flower. These are flowers that typically grow in the winter, or they bloom in the winter, I should say. And they're just some of my favorite flowers of all time, but they always speak of winter to me because my family would always grow them in the winter and they'd always bloom around Christmas. And so for me, they're a very winter memory flower, but there are plenty of other winter flowers out there, but here's just the one that I chose. For these next two designs, I chose snowflakes and antlers. Antlers may be a little bit strange of a choice, but I've seen that they've been used in a lot of winter decorations whenever I go to stores and stuff, so I thought they'd be a fun thing to add, especially since they add a bit of brown as opposed to just the ton of green that can be found around winter time. And then for the snowflakes, because I was using Procreate, it was very easy to create those straight lines. And I was able to create the hexagonal pattern with that as well. If you want to learn more information, feel free to read the blog. Like I said before in the description, I created a bunch of different shapes and sizes and designs of the different snowflakes, and then I just kind of made them bigger, smaller, and then speckled them around. And then here are the four page break designs. So these can go in the middle of your journal, in the middle of the page, to break up from different sections. So I made one for each of them. I hope that this was helpful or inspired you in some way to create your own designs or recreate some of these. If you recreate any of these, please feel free to let me know. I'd be happy to see them. Feel free to tag me or Archer and Olive on Instagram. I always love to see what amazing things that you all create. So thank you so much.